Siemens, Volkswagen, Deutsche Bank. They all have one thing in common: shareholders from Qatar. This small Middle Eastern state is the richest country in the world per capita. The wealth comes from its resources, mainly natural gas. The world's largest contiguous natural gas field is located just off its coast. The country invests the profits via its wealth fund. The Qatar Investment Authority buys companies and properties abroad. Its assets total more than $300 billion. The investments give the small country power and influence. At least as influential is its TV channel, Al Jazeera, which is watched around the world. With an average income of some 80,000 euros, people were living comfortably in Qatar until June 2017, when tensions flared with neighboring countries. They allege Qatar is funding terrorist organizations. Saudi Arabia and Egypt broke off diplomatic relations, as did Yemen, Bahrain, and the United Arab Emirates. Are the accusations true? That's unclear, but there's no solution in sight. The crisis is dangerous for the financial markets, because the United Arab Emirates, with its financial center of Dubai, is intertwined with Qatar's economy. The recent events could cause turbulence in the markets. There's already been some panic buying, but the commotion has begun to settle. Turkey is supplying more dairy products, and Germany airlifted in whole herds of cows, 4,000 in total, apparently. The natural gas industry is also feeling the crisis. There were plans to build pipelines from the gas field to Europe, but a path through Saudi Arabia now seems unthinkable. And going through Qatar's ally Iran could be too much of a provocation. The pipelines are on hold for now. Nothing will stand in the way of football, though. 2022 World Cup preparations are underway. The new stadium is expensive, and that could become a problem. If Qatar faces a liquidity challenge, the flow of money would reverse. The wealth fund would sell back real estate and stock. The Qatar crisis is also an issue for the German economy, especially for companies with shareholders from Qatar.